Hey y'all, it's Miso here. Welcome to my kitchen today where we're going to be making something quick, simple, and delicious. Guess what? I'm going to show you how to do it and you're going to give me a hand and help me out. Come on, kitchen crew, let's get it done. Today it's all about making appetizers. Have you ever had fried green beans or fried broccoli? Well, today this video is about fried cauliflower that we're going to be using as an appetizer today. It's so good. So come with me while we do it. I'm just getting this cauliflower kind of cut up into the size pieces that I want. This cauliflower has already been washed and I'm just cutting it up. Not hard to do at all. I have some pieces a little larger than others, some big juicy pieces and some smaller pieces. So I've got all of these cut up. Let me show you. So now I'm going to make my batter that I'm going to fry this cauliflower in. I'm using 1.5 cups of flour. And I am going to put some red pepper. These are red pepper flakes, or I could use some cayenne. I just didn't get it down. I'm putting some garlic in here and I'm being kind of generous with the amount that I'm putting in. I'm going to use some jerk seasoning, not because this is a jerk dish. I just like the spices and the taste of the jerk seasoning. I like the spices that's in there. And I'm using some onion powder because I like onion powder and a little kosher salt. I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of sugar and I'm just going to give this a whirl with my wire whisk. I am just going to make sure that everything is combined. I have some seltzer water here and looky. I'm pouring some seltzer water into this dry mixture and I'm just whisking it up and getting it all combined really good because this is what I'm going to use to batter my cauliflower. Now this gets a little bit messy, but you just shake it off a little bit. Make sure that you have a lot adhering to the vegetable though. And then you get it down in this hot oil. You want to make sure your oil is about 350 and you want to keep it there. So I'm just getting all of this in. Yeah, turn that over and make sure that's covered just right. Oh, because this breading, this batter is going to be so important to the taste. It's going to make it really, really good. If you could just smell this, I know you can hear that sizzle. Don't you hear it frying? Oh God, this is just wonderful. It's almost magical. It smells so good already. Man, oh man. Can't wait. Even though this will just take a few minutes, won't be long at all, but I can hardly wait until all of this goodness is browned and I am actually getting the opportunity to eat it. Oh yeah, so this is still frying and I'm just gonna see is it ready to turn over? It is. It is. Oh, this is just so wonderful. Now we all love these. When I make them, we're all just pulling over them, pulling them, you know what, no, that one's mine. No, give me that piece, that's mine. So I think they're ready now. So you see, this is very quick. Just takes a few minutes, maybe 10, 15 minutes. Let's pour these out on this paper towel. And then we're gonna be ready to start a snacking, honey. Look what I got. Well, I got these little cherry tomatoes here and this lemon if you want to take lemon juice and kind of squirt the lemon juice over the cauliflower. But first, I'm just gonna enjoy the smell and the look of this. It's so wonderful. And now I'm gonna taste it. Look how it pulls apart. Do you hear that crunch? Do you see that goodness on the outside and on the inside? Every cauliflower ought to taste like this. Oh man, this is just excellent. This is wonderful. Hey, you do this for your family, for your kids. Do it for yourself. It's really, really good. Won't do much for your figure or your diet, but it's good. Guys, I want to thank you for coming by here today, checking on me. That you wanted to see what I was doing. Now you knew that I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. I appreciate those of you who are already subscribed to me, and those that are not, please hit that red subscribe button and then also hit that notification bell until parentheses come around it, and that way that means that every time I put up a new video you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up, that's really important. Like my video and share my videos wherever you're active on social media, and also leave me some comments. I read each and every comment. I can't answer them all, but I read every one. I am also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and I'm miso making it on all of those platforms. Again, guys, I want to tell you how I value you. You don't have to come by and check on me or see me or look at my videos, but I appreciate you because you do. Love you so much, guys. Love yourself. Love somebody else. Share your love by sharing your food. Bye-bye.